Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search bar, type here settings and click here to open it. Then go to apps tab, then click on apps and features. Just scroll down, select Windows Security, click on these three dots and go to advanced options. Again scroll down, click on repair and then reset. Once done, close this window. Then click on search bar, type here cmd, run as administrator. Now to avoid mistakes, you will get all the commands from the description below. Just copy and paste on command prompt and hit enter to execute it. Go for the second one and hit enter. Then close the command prompt window. Go to search bar. Again type cmd, run as administrator. Now type this command carefully and hit enter. This will take some time to complete this process, so wait for it. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again go to search bar and type PowerShell, run as administrator, select S. Now you will get this command also from the description below. Just copy and paste it here and hit enter. Then type A and hit enter. Now go for the second command and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close this. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.